In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Poly in Slack to create quick polls and get instant feedback. First, you'll need the Poly app installed in your Honey Slack workspace. Head to the Slack app directory and search for Poly. Select the app, then follow the prompts to add it to your workspace. If you see a message saying you need admin approval, that's normal in some organizations. Simply request access and continue once it's approved. Installing Poly ensures you have the tools you need right inside Slack. No separate website or extra software required. Once Poly is installed, open the Slack channel or direct message where you want to run your poll. This is important because your poll will appear and collect votes in that exact conversation. In the message box, type the command /Poly, written as Poly, and hit enter. That tells Slack you want to create a new poll with the Poly app. Next, customize your poll. Start by writing a clear, concise question like, which date works best for our meeting? Or which design do you prefer? Then add your answer options. Keep them unambiguous and mutually exclusive so people don't get confused. For example, if you're polling on timing, list specific dates or time slots. If you're gauging preferences, label each option clearly. This is also the moment to set rules that guide how your poll behaves. You can schedule the poll to go live later, which is helpful for reaching teammates across the time zones or catching people at peak activity. You can also make the poll anonymous so that responses are private and people feel comfortable answering honestly. Think about the goal. If you're measuring sentiment or collecting sensitive feedback, anonymity is a smart choice. If you're coordinating tasks where accountability matters, leave it non-anonymous. When you're happy with the question, options, and rules, create the poll. Poly will post it right in the selected channel or direct message. From there, team members can vote directly within Slack by clicking on the options. No need to switch tools. Votes and updates appear in real time, so you can watch results come in and quickly understand the group's preference. That's all it takes. Install Poly, use the Poly command in the right conversation, customize your question and options, set helpful rules like scheduling or anonymity, and let your team vote. With this simple workflow, you'll get faster decisions, clearer consensus, and better engagement right where your conversations are already happening.